Hey everyone, this is Phil from STS Classics. Our dealership specializes in classic motorcycles and classic cars. Go to our website at stsclassicmotorcycles.com, or STS Classics will get you there as well. Today we have the pleasure of doing a cold start video on this immaculate 1928 Indian 101 Scout. As you know, those of you who know the Indian 101 Scout, it was designed by Charles Franklin in the 1920s as a evolution of the Indian Scout motorcycle, and it made it into the iconic motorcycle that many Indian enthusiasts believe is the best motorcycle that Indian ever made, and certainly hold a place in the pantheon of all great motorcycles. This particular motorcycle has a wonderful history. In particular, it was fully redone and refurbished and comprehensively restored by John Eagles, the noted, worldwide noted mechanic who was an expert in these machines. In fact, John Eagles was the person that Harry V. Suker, the noted historian of Indian motorcycles, turned to when he needed his Indian 101 Scout restored. That says a lot. So we're going to go through a cold start of this motorcycle that we've had in our museum collection over the last 10 years, but it's time to find a new owner, and we are going to be putting it up for sale soon. The cold start procedure, I'm going to go through it a little bit, but grabbing the headers here. Bike hasn't run for several days actually. We just did a service on it, and I'm going to go through the procedure. So I'm going to start by going over here. We're going to turn the petcock on. Nice solid mechanism. Everything on the machine is like new. So we got the gas flowing. This has the Splitdorf magneto. Really provides a nice hot spark. And it runs through this DLX 51 Schebler carburetor. To get it started, you put it up here to prime for your prime kick. Usually just one prime kick. It's about 8 degrees here this evening in Southern California. Kick, we're going to retard by about that much on the left hand grip. We will give it a prime kick with about pretty much a full opening on the throttle. So usually it's a one kick bike, sometimes two kicks depending. We'll see how it goes right now. So I'm going to open the throttle and give it a good prime kick. Wanted to start on the prime. The magneto's always hot. I'm going to set it down one click to start. See how it goes. Just a little bit of throttle here. turn off at 28, which is with the plunger that goes through the tank and then opens up the valves with this lever on. And that is a cold start on a 1928 Indian 101 Scout. Check it out on our website at stsclassics.com or stsclassicmotorcycles.com with an S on the end. This is Phil, wishing you a good evening, and we will be coming back to you with where and what venue and when it will be going up for sale.